Okay, so in this video, I am going to tell you about how we can, whenever we are speaking English, we are practicing our English. You are all are a beginner or intermediate level speaker as me. I am also learning English. I'm also practicing my English every single day. So, as if I tell you about my practicing thing, like how I'm practicing, so that time I would like to tell you that usually I'm practicing on Telegram and also on Clubhouse. So in these days, nowadays I start practicing more on Clubhouse because there a lot of we can easily connect with a lot of native speakers. So but as I faced so many things when I was a beginner, and also sometimes nowadays. So the thing, if I tell you that when we are in a group where everybody is a beginner, everybody is practicing to each other at the level of beginning level, that time we usually speak to each other like an interview. We are talking to each other like an interview. How, like, how it is like, if I tell you that when we are in a group, so usually we are doing what we are doing, like we are asking, what's your name, bro? Where are you from? Okay. What do you do for living? So every time we are questioning, we are asking questions. Okay, yes, yeah, everything, we are asking, where are you from, what are you doing? So and usually we are doing it in the beginning of that conversation. But I decide, I as I faced, like I felt that it's not a good thing. As a beginner it's okay, but we are not a beginner anymore. Now we have to, we have to perceive ourselves that we are an intermediate level, we are a fluent English speaker, we are native speaker. So don't perceive yourself that you are not a good speaker. So so as I'm telling you that, don't people, nobody wants to be interviewed, nobody wants to be perceived that they are giving interviews, they are giving answering questions. So try to make your conversations casual. Okay, so there are two type of conversations, one is professional, one is casual. So professionally we are asking questions, we are talking about something, professional things, like about something, work, and something about your everything. You all know that what is professional level talking and what is casual talking. So when we are a beginner, that time we it's not, it's very hard, take it, it's very hard to make conversation casual. We can easily talk professionally, we can easily ask questions, we can easily deliver a speech like I am doing. But when it's time to make that conversation casual, that time it will, it will be more hard or challenging for a beginner. Because what we are doing in a casual way, we are sharing stories, what's going on in the present moment, what's going on with you, and asking some fancy words we are using. So I feel it, when I was in a groups on Clubhouse where everybody's, there are not a single person are there to improve their English. So many people, so many youngster, or so many people are there, they all are talking to each other, they are spending time. So when I joined these kind of groups, that time I feel that when it's time to make conversation casually, when it's time to talk casually, that time it would be more challenging even for me sometime. So so I thought that we should, whenever you are in a group, that time try to don't ask questions directly, try to ask questions indirectly. Like I tell you, so if you want to ask where are you from, that time you can do this, like try to say some story about your place. Like, yes, you have to, first you can tell a story. Like, if I tell you, if you are in a group, that time you can say, yeah bro, this is rainy weather in my city, and I like rainy weather because you know that from the last couple of weeks we are having, we are having rainy days and everything. was soaked. So I think it would be better for every one of us to be, to face this sunny weather. So what about you, bro? What do you think? Sunny is it a good thing to be face sunny weather, or it is? What do you think about it? So you can say this, and after that he will come. He will, reply you that, yeah, I know that I like sunny weather, and maybe he would say, I don't like sunny weather. I like winter. So I like cold weather. But whatever he replied that time, you can ask again. Okay. So by the way, what is the, what's the weather in your place? That time you can ask this question, and when he will reply you, yeah, in my place the weather is quite rainy season is going on, and it's, sometimes it's sultry weather, humidity, whatever he said. So when he said something, that time you can ask, okay, so by the way, where are you from, bro? By the way, where are you from, bro? Okay, so this would be more, casual thing, and everybody like casual talk. Nobody like professional talk. Where are you from, bro? What do you do? Okay, are you doing job? How much salary you are taking? So try to do this, guys. Try to, make your conversation casual. Oh, and now I will tell you that how you can make your small conversation into long conversation. So take come back on that same story. So you are asking that person that what's the weather in your place, and when he would say, yeah, my weather, like the weather in my place is a kind of sultry weather and rainy season is going on. So that time you can ask them, where are you from, bro? By the way, where are you from, bro? So use these kind of stuff. By the way, where are you from, bro? So when he said something, when he said whatever he said that, yeah, I'm from Jaipur. Let's see, I'm from Jaipur. And then you can ask a kind of questions that related to that particular place. If somebody is from Jaipur, you can ask, yeah, bro, everybody, Jaipur is famous as a pink city. So you can ask this, and after he will reply you, and then try to, connect with particular story. We can take it like, if I tell you that, if somebody, if you are doing something, if you are sharing your hobbies, what do you like really? Okay, so that time maybe if you say, I like cricket, that time, if the person in front of you tell you that, the person is like cricket, the person like cricket, that time you can ask, oh, so you are watching cricket? So just try to connect, with that story. So do you like cricket, and are you watching cricket? So that time, whatever he said, just try to, ask related questions. Oh, so you know about Virat Kohli? Okay, yes, I know about Virat Kohli. Yeah, I know about Virat Kohli. So he's recently moved in another country. So you can just, what I'm doing, that I'm connecting all things into separately. If something is missing, if you ask a person, do you like cricket? That time, if he would say, no, I don't like cricket, that time you can, you can make another story that is going on in your place. You can make any kind of story. If I'm here, I'm talking with you, that time I would like to, if I don't have any kind of, thing, so that time I can tell you something that going on in my life. So bro, like this. So bro, in these days, I start writing, and I'm writing my gratitude journal. Do you like gratitude journal? So this is the thing. So you can also say that, bro, I'm reading books. So currently I'm reading Good Vibes Good Life. So do you like books? And when he said, no, I don't like. Okay, so what do you like? What's your hobbies? Just try to relate, try to connect all the things separately. Okay, you will eventually, make it long conversation. Okay, make your small conversation into long conversation. So hobbies is a good thing. If I tell you cities, you can ask about weather, you can ask about travel, you can ask about foods, but don't ask, try to tell a story about all these things. Okay, and you can try to, whenever you got blank, or whenever you are not having, a kind of good story, that time you can make story with the help of your surroundings, what's going on in your surroundings. Okay, so, and another thing, if I tell you, try to, perceive yourself as a native speaker. whenever you are in a group where if their people are talking to each other and they are practicing to each other, that time yeah, you can say that I'm also practicing, but don't say forcefully, don't say deliberately, don't say deliberately that you are an English learner. Try to perceive yourself, try to take yourself that yes, it's a casual thing, I'm not learning, I am an English learner, I am an English speaker, it's not a big deal for me. So when you take yourself that you already a speaker, already a good speaker, that time the energy shift comes, your energy will shift, and you can easily you can easily find new word. And this is important, yeah, when we are in a groups and we perceive ourselves, we are taking ourselves that yes, I'm a learner, I am a learner, that time that is the thing, or energy would be that time not really good. And that is the thing that we are missing and skipping, we are missing right word, because that time we are putting pressure that yeah, I'm a learner, how can I learn, how can I learn this thing, how can I get fluency like you. Who the hell they are, who the hell they are, do you don't need bro to be like any other person. Okay, so this is wonderful that I am I am facing in these days, and I thought that I should share with you. So this is good, and I want to make again, like in these last 2 3 weeks I had been making videos more more perfectly, so I thought that I should make casual videos. Okay, that time you will relate more and you will learn more things. Okay, so I think this is enough. If you have any kind of so okay, then I think this is enough for today. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Stay tuned. Bye bye. If you are watching till now, it means a lot, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment box. I'll help you for sure. Bye. Bye. Okay, I'll meet you. Shit. Okay. Okay.